Ito, TV. Siguro.
Was fouled. Green picks up his third personal foul.
Number one, great screen to force the switch of Klay Thompson on the Blake Griffin. This gets the Warriors scrambling defensively.
Blake Griffin, whose dad played some NAIA basketball, some track. Participated in track at that level. Throws it down to the boys. The younger one, Blake Griffin, at the line in his older brother, Taylor, who played at Oklahoma. Together they won 4 state championships in the state of Oklahoma.
Pretty good front line work over there.
Not bad. Not bad. He finished the year. Blake Griffin, this season number 6 in his scoring. In these playoffs, he's number 9. He's had a couple of tough games, though. He's averaged just about 18 points the last 3. At the beginning, with a couple of 30-plus point performances. 6-0 run by the Clippers. Curry watches that wedge its way between the rim and the glass, and it falls back to Los Angeles, approaching 2 to play in the third.
Not really better defensive effort in the third quarter.
Redick, rebound, Green, early release, Klay Thompson.
Nice. Try to get out before this Clipper defense gets set up.
Klay Thompson with 11. Curry with 17. 28 between the two. Crawford on the move, dancing after Crawford. Jamal heading over Jordan. Jordan Crawford's come in and given this team a little spark last couple games. First half he did, had it stripped right there. Redick ahead, nice spin move by Griffin. Tried to throw one up, lost the ball, out of bounds. He and the ball fly. They get it back to the Warriors.
Blake Griffin a little bit out of control here. He felt that there was contact. Draymond Green almost, this is called pulling the chair at half break. Not a lot of contact there. Good call by the official. Good no call.
Reggie, the Warriors had 9 3-point makes in the first half. They're stuck at 9. Not one three-pointer they hit in the third quarter.
Give a lot of credit to the Clippers. Running them off that 3-point line.
Crawford.
In the regular season, remember the Clippers were the best team at opposing 3-point percentage. Many teams off at 33%.
Here's Ball the other way with a pumper and a drop. Oh, the beautiful